Hello, this is Varsha from Career Education. So today I will be discussing some of the questions from the chapter Lines and Angle. So here I have taken the first question in which a figure is given and we have to calculate AOC, angle AOC which is x degree, angle BOD which is y degree and angle AOE which is 3x degree. And what are the given information to us? Angle BOE is 72 degree, angle COD is 90 degree. And one more thing is given which is very important. AOB is a straight line. Okay. So first thing if you'll see this AOB is a straight line, right? Since so we'll write here, we can write since angle AOB is a straight line. So this angle AOE and angle BOE are linear pair of angles. Okay, so angle AOE plus angle BOE summation will be equals to 180 degree, right? So here we can write solution as since AOB is a straight line, since AOB is a straight line, so we can say that angle AOB and angle BOE, also you can just write that angle AOB plus angle BOE equals to 180 degree, right? So we can write here angle AOB is 3x degree. So 3x plus 72 will be equals to 180 degree. So x will be equals to 180 degree minus 72 will give us 108, right? It will give us 108 by 3 which will be equals to 36 degree. Okay, so here the x value is 36 degree. It means angle AOC is equals to x degree will be equals to 36 degree. But angle AOE measurement is given 3x degree. So angle AOE will be equals to 3x degree. It means 3 into 36 degree. 3 into 36 degree which will be equals to 108 degree. Okay, now this angle and this angle we have found. Now we have to find the angle BOD which is y degree. Now angle BOD, we have to find angle BOD. Again we will use since AOB is a straight line which is given. Okay, so sum of the angles to the upper side, this angle, this angle and this angle. Sum of these all angles at the point O to the upper side of AOB will be equals to 180 degree. Okay, so we can write here angle AOC plus angle DCOD plus angle DOB will be equals to 180 degree, right? So we'll just put the values. Angle AOC is x degree and which we have found already which is 36 degree. In the same way angle COD is given already 90 degree and angle DOB is y degree equals to 180 degree. 90 degree plus 36 degree will give us 126 degree plus y degree equals to 180. So y equals to how much? 180 minus 126 degree which will be equals to 54 degree. Okay, so angle y will be 54 degree. So in this way we have found angle AOC, angle BOD, angle AOE. This is 108 degree. Angle BOD is 54 degree and angle AOC is 36 degree. Okay, so what property we have used? Straight line property, and whatever the values of the given angles was that we have used, and we have found the values of unknown angles. Okay, so one more question. I hope that this question you have understood. Now the next question is, this is a given figure. Okay, and in this figure what is the given information? Ray OC is the bisector of angle AOB. Okay, AOB. This is AOB and ray OC is this OC. So OC is the bisector of angle AOB. It means that this angle is equals to this angle. Okay, if this angle is x, then this angle is also x degree. Fine. Now next information is OD is the ray opposite to OC. Means OC and OD are just opposite rays. So that angle AOD equals to angle BOD. Angle AOD means this angle is equals to this angle. That we have to prove. Okay, so first we will write the given information. Given information is angle BOC is equals to angle AOC bisector. O, since OC is the bisector, OC is the bisector. Fine. Now we have to prove angle AOD equals to angle BOD. Okay. Now we will write the proof. Now again we will use the straight line property. You can see here COD, or you can say DOC is a straight line. DOC is a straight line. So we can use the straight line property. It means that angle BOD plus angle BOC will be equals to 180 degree. So we can write in this angle BOD plus angle BOC will be equals to 180 degree linear pair. Since this is a straight line, so this angle plus this angle will be equals to 180 degree. This is first. In the same way, the lower side of DOC, there are two angles, angle DOA and angle COA. Then their summation will be also equals to 180 degree. So DOA plus angle COA will be equals to 180 degree. Okay, here you can add similarly. Okay, now see from equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, both are equals to 180 degrees. So we can equate them. BOD plus angle BOC will be equals to angle DOA plus angle COA. Fine. Now we have already written here angle BOC is equals to angle AOC. Okay, angle BOC is equals to angle AOC, this one. So both of the angles are equal. It means this both will get cancelled. So what is left with us? Angle BOD is equals to angle DOA. And what we have to prove? Angle AOD equals to BOD. That's what we have proved, right? So proved. So what I have used in this, we have used the property of straight line, linear pair property, or the sum of the angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degree. If you use this, you will get two equation and both will be equals to 180 degree. It means both are equal. Okay, we can equate the LHS and we will get the proof. Okay, so required statement is proof. Thanks for watching my video.